I'm going to be showing you how to cornrow. And the first thing you want to do is comb out your hair and section your hair into 2 equal halves, right? So that it's going to be easier and it's going to be workable for you. So you just have to hold on to one with a ribbon and then work on the other half of your hair. So I went ahead off camera to work on this part of my hair, and we're going to be working on this other section on camera, right? Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to moisturize your hair, and I am going to be using the Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthener because it's really good. Yeah, so you want to moisturize your hair with that, and also moisturize it properly. This would help make your hair not feel so dry, especially if you are on natural hair or if your hair is feeling really dry. You need this moisture in your hair. So yeah, this way it will be easier to cornrow your hair, and it's going to leave your hair looking like really neat. Next, you want to partition your hair into sections. So I'm going to be using this tail comb to partition my hair. So what I prefer to do is to not section my hair in a way that is too big or is too small. So for this, I'm going to be doing like just 4 cornrows on this whole section of the second half. So with this, I'm going to be having somewhere in between 8 to 10 cornrows on my hair. Now make sure that you're using a mirror, and to do this you have to take a piece of your hair or take a section of your hair and then divide that into 3 equal sections or 3 equal halves. So I want you guys to really look and watch and learn, because this is going to be a really descriptive visual kind of video. So yeah, what you want to do is to loop your fingers, and then while you loop, you take a piece of your hair from the back and then add to it. I don't know if I'm making sense. That way you can cornrow. That way it cornrows actually. So you need to take a piece of your hair from the back and then go again, and then take a piece of your hair from the back, then you loop and then take another piece of the hair from your back, or from the back rather. So basically you're going to be pinching and you're going to be looping and you're going to be taking hair from the back of your hair. So I'm going to be making like 4 of these cornrows. So we have 1 already going on, so I'm going to show you 3 more. So that way, if you don't really get it this time, you'll definitely get it before we get to the last one. And for the last one, I'm also going to make it as detailed as I can, just so that everybody grabs what I'm trying to say.
Tears come and slay all my fears.
we're done with the first braid, and this is what it looks like. So we're going to be going over to the next one, and we're going to be repeating the same process that we did on the first one. So you want to make sure that you're using a mirror to make sure that to help you see what exactly you're doing. So repeating the same process, we're going to be using our index finger and then looping it again. Now it's really I don't know if you guys are really getting what I'm saying, but it's basically like when you're doing Bob Marley, yeah, but this one now is going to be laid flat. So you know, we have 3 strands, and you have to just keep using each strand to go over the other, go across the other, and yeah, that's basically what it is here when it comes to cornrow. So we're taking the one in front, putting it at the back, and taking the one in front and putting it at the back. You know, you need 3 fingers for this. You need your index finger, you need your middle finger, and you need your thumb. This would help with, these are the fingers you're going to be working with when it comes to cornrow. So basically, you are taking the middle one and you're putting it to the back while you pinch. So while looping, we're pinching, we're taking to the back, we're taking the one in front, and then we're taking to the back. I hope I'm making sense. So that's basically what we are doing here. So I'm just going to leave you to watch and see what I'm doing. So we're basically just going to repeat the same process. I'm going to be showing you a couple of times how to cornrow your hair. So if you do not get it the first time, the second time, the third time, you're definitely going to get it the fourth time. This might look a little too much, but to perfectly or to better know how to cornrow your hair, you need a lot of practice. So what you have to do is watch and rewatch and practice, and then learn from your mistakes, because definitely you're going to make mistakes. So learn from it and then practice again, rewatch and then practice again. That's the only way you're going to be able to cornrow your hair perfectly on your own. So what we're doing is to just repeat the same process. We're basically looping the hair across each other. We're taking the one in front, pushing it to the back, and then taking the one from the front again, taking it to the back. So basically that's what we're doing. It's so amazing when it breaks. Gas in a car, 100 miles, take us far. It's summer love, I'm excited. Yeah. I used to be scared, thought I wasn't enough, till you came along. Now I'm ready for love. Electrify my heart. So as you can see, my own hair is not that straight. It happens to the best of us, so every day is not going to be the same. And what happened today was that mine did come up straight, so it's fine if yours is not as perfect. It's fine. The goal is just to practice more, and you're going to get better as you practice, right? So I'm just going to play some music for you guys now so you can listen to while we enjoy this video.
Number one, you were caught in a field, staring strawberry fields. It's summer love and I like it now. I used to be scared, thought I wasn't enough, till you came along. Now I'm ready for love. Electrify my heart. Do it.
So I'm just going to go ahead to use this dandruff spray, anti-dandruff spray from Mega Growth. I do not have dandruff, but my scalp is really itchy, so this kind of helps me with the itchiness. So I'm just going to be spraying it on all of the sections that I made on my hair, just so that it reduces, because it has menthol in it, so it's going to help reduce the itchiness. So this is what my hair looks like now that we're done cornrowing it. Like I said before, you need a lot of practice, especially if this is your first time cornrowing your hair. You're going to make a whole lot of mistakes. Your hair is going to feel loose, your hair is going to not be straight, your hair is going to have a whole lot of other things. But the point here is for you to practice, learn from your mistakes and redo it, rewatch this video, and definitely you're going to get better as time goes on. So yeah, this is what we're looking like, and we've come to the end of this tutorial. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I know this is not the perfect sectioning or partitioning, like my lines are not straight, but we're not here for perfection, right? So yeah, so what I want you guys to do is to learn, practice, rewatch, and I'll see you in the comment section. Once again, if you're new on my channel, hi, my name is Eva Anthony. Welcome to my channel. It will really make me glad if you subscribe to my channel. Is that red button down below? Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, drop a comment, and share with your friends also. So until next time, I hope you check out some of my other videos on my channel, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Number one, you were